When it comes to creating realistic Halloween props, every detail matters, especially when you're aiming for that authentic, eerie look of aged skeleton bones. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits are the perfect solution for transforming plain plastic or foam skeleton props into chillingly lifelike masterpieces. Let's explore how these high-quality tools can help you achieve stunning skeleton bone texturing and why you'll want to make them a staple in your Halloween workshop. First, let's talk about the importance of texture. Real bones aren't perfectly smooth. They have tiny pits, grooves, and subtle imperfections that tell a story of time and decay. When you start with a store-bought plastic or foam skeleton, you'll notice that the surface is usually too uniform, lacking the character that makes props stand out. That's where our carbide burr die grinder tool bits come in. Made in the USA, these bits are engineered for precision, durability, and efficiency, making them ideal for artists, prop makers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. The process begins with selecting the right coarse carbide burr for your project. Coarse burrs are particularly effective for this application because they remove material quickly, allowing you to carve deep grooves, notches, and rugged textures that mimic the natural wear and tear of old bone. Attach the chosen burr to your die grinder, ensuring it's securely fastened before you begin. Safety is key, so don't forget to wear protective eyewear and a dust mask, especially when working with plastic or foam materials. Start by identifying the areas of the skeleton that would naturally show the most age and wear, typically around the joints, along the edges, and in any recessed areas. Gently guide the carbide burr across the surface, varying your pressure and angle to create an array of textures. For a truly authentic look, focus on making irregular, organic patterns rather than uniform lines. Use the burr to carve out small pits and cracks, simulating the porous, brittle nature of old bone. You can also use a circular motion to roughen up larger surfaces, creating a weathered appearance that looks convincingly real under spooky lighting. One of the advantages of our carbide burrs is their superior control. Unlike traditional sanding or hand carving methods, the die grinder allows you to adjust speed and pressure with precision, giving you complete creative freedom. Whether you want subtle surface scratches or deep, dramatic grooves, these tool bits respond instantly to your touch. This control is especially important when working around delicate details like teeth or finger bones, where overworking the surface could result in breakage. After you finish texturing, take a moment to brush away any dust and loose particles. You'll immediately notice how much more realistic your skeleton looks, even before painting or further finishing. To enhance the effect, consider applying a wash of dark paint into the grooves and crevices, then wiping away the excess. This technique will accentuate the textures you've created, making every crack and pit stand out under Halloween lights. Our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits are crafted to last, so you can tackle multiple props season after season. Their durability means you spend less time replacing tools and more time bringing your creative visions to life. Whether you're building a haunted house, designing a movie set, or just looking to impress trick-or-treaters, these tool bits elevate your projects to a professional level. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative ideas for your Halloween props, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing new techniques and inspiration to help you make the most of your tools. And don't forget to leave your Halloween comments below. Let us know what spooky projects you're working on and how you plan to use realistic bone texturing in your displays. We love hearing from fellow enthusiasts and look forward to seeing your haunting creations.